An electric car with no driving, nobody in it, and then the trash can's coming. Watch. It's a handicap. So when the trash can moves forward, the car's gonna move back. Oh no, it's not. It's making the trash can move. It's not moving. It's stuck. Let's see what they're gonna do. The trash can's gonna have to go backwards. The other idiot doesn't know what to do. That one doesn't know what to do. He's backing up. He's honking. Let me roll down the window so you guys can hear it. And the car is not moving. Oh, it did, look. Okay, somebody's coming out of it. The car stuck. Now he had to walk. Now the one in the back is gonna have to move. He's stuck. Homeboy got out the car. Oh, okay, he's gonna move back now because the car in front of him didn't move. Oh, he's reversing. But the trash can should wait. He's gonna go forward. Made him move, okay. I'm trying to go straight, but the trash can. Okay, go straight. Go get stuck. Homeboy got off, so the car's returning to this. Alright.